Hello everyone and welcome to the new series of Dynamics 365 Essentials. We are presenting multiple important features about Dynamics 365 Business Central in brief. Today I will be talking about one of the most interesting features of Dynamics 365 Business Central, which is called Role Center. Or alternatively, you can call it a profile or simply just the home page of the system. End users in Dynamics 365 Business Central are assigned to profiles, which basically provides them with a specific set of functions, reports, navigation, or charts that are relevant to their business roles. In other words, the profile defines what different user types can see and do in the user interface. A very common example is an accountant who would need to record a cash receipt journal or a payment journal. That can easily be done from the navigation menu. From the cash management module, you will see that payment journal and cash receipt are there. At the same time, from the action bar below, an accountant can simply click on trial balance, which is an action in order to print a trial balance detail or summary report for a specific period. The same concept applies to a business manager who would like to check the profitability for a certain set of products. In order to switch from one profile to another, click on My Settings, and then from the role you will see that there is a predefined list of profiles from which you can choose. Let's take the business manager, click OK, and the whole home page will refresh automatically. Now the home page of the business manager is providing totally different view, including different menus, different actions, and different reports. For example, the business manager would like to check the overdue sales invoices amounts, the overdue purchase invoices amounts, or would like to check the ongoing sales and ongoing purchases. All of that is provided in an interactive way by which you can click on any of these parts and drill down to the details of it. Finally, you can still review all the features related to your business role, or you can even review all the features related to all other business roles. Thank you for watching.